Okay, so we're going to build a house here. So first thing you do is you go to this rectangle thing here. Draw it however big you want it. So I'll say I want it this big. So next we're going to take this tool here, click on it, then you can pull up, pull down however you want it. So I'll say I want it this tall. Zoom out a little bit. Then to make it big, or to make the roof, take the pencil, go to what says end point. Take the tool, go to there, and there. That roof might be a little off, but that's okay. Take this tool again, go on the back side, click and drag this here until it's lined up perfect. Then, if you want a door, take the pencil again. You can put your door how tall, how wide you want it. Doesn't really matter. So I'll say I want it there. And then I'm going to want a window in my door, so I'm going to do this. Make a nice little window. And I'm going to want some windows up here so you can see inside. Put another window here. And I might want another window, let's say I want it right there. Now to get color, you're going to go to this paint bucket, go to brick for the siding. Let's say I want this kind of brick. Go there, rotate it so you can get all your brick laid or placed. Then for shingles, I'm going to go here and go to roofing. Then I'm going to pick out whatever kind of shingle I want. Let's say I want this kind of shingle. Select that shingle, and then again you scroll and click. Then for windows, you would go to, where is it? To translucent, click that, glass gray. Then you click it and you can see inside the house. And for the door, let's say I want this to be wood. Click whatever wood I want, click there, and then that's your house.